Welcome back to Money Matters, Mastering Finance and Investment, and today, we're diving into a critical aspect of financial stability, building an emergency fund. In this video, we'll explore why having an emergency fund is vital and provide you with 10 practical ways to build one. Let's get started. The importance of having an emergency fund. Before we dive into the how, let's first understand why having an emergency fund is so important. Point 1. Financial security. An emergency fund serves as your financial safety net. It provides you with peace of mind, knowing that you have a cushion to fall back on when unexpected expenses or crises arise. It prevents you from having to rely on high-interest debt, such as credit cards, to cover these costs. 2. Stability in uncertain times. Life is full of surprises, not all of them pleasant. Whether it's a medical emergency, car repairs, or even a job loss, your emergency fund ensures you can navigate these unforeseen challenges without sacrificing your financial stability. 3. Avoiding debt traps. Without an emergency fund, unexpected expenses often lead to borrowing money at high interest rates. This can quickly spiral into a cycle of debt that's challenging to escape. An emergency fund helps you break free from this trap. Peace of mind. Knowing that you have funds set aside for life's curveballs brings peace of mind. It reduces stress and enables you to focus on long-term financial goals without the constant worry of financial crises. 5. Opportunity to invest. Having an emergency fund gives you the financial flexibility to explore investment opportunities. It allows you to seize favorable financial moments, such as investing in stocks or real estate when the time is right. Now that we've covered the importance of building an emergency fund, we'll go over 10 practical ways to build your emergency fund. Tip 1. Set clear savings goals. Setting clear savings goals is essential. Let's say your monthly living expenses amount to $3,000. A common recommendation is to have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. So, you should aim for a fund of $9,000 to $18,000. Having this specific target in mind gives you a concrete goal to work towards, making it easier to stay motivated and focused. Tip 2. Create a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap. It helps you allocate your income effectively, including money for your emergency fund. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable expense in your budget, just like your rent or mortgage. For example, if your monthly income is $4,000, allocate a portion of it, say $400, to your emergency fund. This ensures that you're consistently contributing to your financial safety net. Tip 3. Automate your savings. Automation simplifies the process of building your emergency fund. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency fund. For instance, if you're paid bi-weekly, you can schedule a transfer of $50 every payday. This out-of-sight, out-of-mind approach ensures you're making regular contributions without the need for constant manual effort. Tip 4. Start small, but start now. Don't be discouraged if you can't save a large sum immediately. Every dollar counts when building an emergency fund. Let's say you begin by saving just $20 per week. Over the course of a year, you'll have accumulated $1,040 in your fund. The key is to start today, no matter the initial amount. As your financial situation improves, you can gradually increase your contributions. Tip 5. Cut unnecessary expenses. Review your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Let's take dining out as an example. If you dine out twice a week at an average cost of $30 per meal, that's $240 per month. By reducing dining out to once a week or opting for more affordable dining options, you can save $120 a month. Redirecting these savings into your emergency fund significantly accelerates your progress. Tip 6. Use windfalls wisely. Windfalls, like tax refunds, work bonuses, or gifts, can provide a substantial boost to your emergency fund. Let's say you receive a $1,000 tax refund. Instead of spending it all, consider saving a significant portion of it. For instance, allocate $600 to your emergency fund and use the remaining $400 for other financial goals or treats. Tip 7. Sell unused items. Many of us have unused items lying around the house. For example, you might have an old smartphone, clothing, or electronics that you no longer need. Selling these items online or hosting a garage sale can put extra money in your pocket. The proceeds from selling these unused items can be a direct boost to your emergency fund. Tip 8. Increase your income. If you're looking to accelerate your emergency fund growth, consider ways to increase your income. For instance, taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side business can provide additional sources of income. The extra earnings can be earmarked for your fund, helping you reach your goal faster. Tip 9. Bank windfalls and gifts. Let's say your birthday is approaching, and you anticipate receiving gifts or cash from friends and family. Instead of spending all of it, plan to save a portion for your emergency fund. If you receive $200 in birthday gifts, consider setting aside $100 or more for your fund. It's a practical way to grow your safety net. Tip 10. Reduce fixed expenses. Review your fixed expenses, such as insurance or utilities. For example, you might find that shopping around for car insurance can save you $20 per month. Negotiating with your cable or internet provider could result in another $15 in monthly savings. These small steps in reducing fixed expenses can free up money that can be channeled into your emergency fund. By implementing these practical strategies and making them a part of your financial routine, you'll steadily build your emergency fund and enhance your financial security. In conclusion, building an emergency fund is a fundamental step in achieving financial security and peace of mind. With these 10 practical ways, you can gradually build your financial safety net and navigate life's unexpected challenges with confidence. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable insights on personal finance and wealth building. Stay tuned for our next video and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.